this is the way to power off your Android device without unlocking it. If you have someone's phone and you're in a plane, you need to turn it off. They might not be next to you and you might not have their passcode. You can actually turn off the Android device without the passcode. So I'll use now a different finger. To do that, I have the phone, it's not unlocked, and you have the passcode. I'm not going to enter the passcode. I want to show you that this can be done like that. You can either use the power button to show the power menu here if Gemini is not enabled, but if you have Gemini enabled, you can use a combination of the power button and volume up or volume down to show the power menu. So power button and volume up. So we have power button and volume up, and I see the power menu here, and I can power it off from there. Or you can swipe down from the top and see the quick settings menu. Also, you have this soft power button, and I can tap on power off. And the Android phone now is shut down without having to enter the passcode or fingerprint. Thanks for watching. Use this only for your devices and your friends' devices, not someone else's device.